Oh, get a load of this handsome boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Can we get much higher? Oh my god. Oh yeah. Trinko? The bro's giving up. He's doing it the right way.
The right way. Go, 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 go.
Go, go.
Oh, we're good, right?
Yeah, it only needs 1 quart.
No, I've actually wrote this thing accidentally on 1 quart of oil.
Oh my god.
Dude, because
it can take it. That's the sad part, though. It like it like doesn't even care. It's like, okay, fine.
Yeah. I was like, what is this trail of smoke behind me? I pull over, dude. The oil pressure switch.
Oh yeah, it starts like
the line.
Yeah, the line.
Out of it.
Yeah, it goes AFK.
Yeah. Then I check oil pressure. It starts. I was like, oh my god.
Oh no. Yeah, it's always my fear because I have like a nylon line going to mine too, and I think it has leaked, and then I just repaired it.
That's why they switch over to the solenoid, and then you run a wire.
Yeah, literally, yeah. Then actually running oil literally from the block into the firewall, literally into your car.
It can't be safe either, right?
Oh yeah, it's like kind of brain dead when you think about it. Like, yeah, let's run oil like into the cabin. That's where we want it.
No, that like on Instagram. It's like me giving my 4L Slippy some.
Yeah, it's like drink up 4L Slippy. Drink up LT1.
I can't remember if this is a 6 or 7 quart.
Oh, the pan?
Yeah.
It should be. My Impala's a 6, so I would assume that this is a 6 as well. That's what we'll probably do. We do the norm. Add what we think is like correct or a little too low, then check the dipstick.
Me aerating the oil.
Aerating it just so that way we can unaerate it at limiter.
When they ask me how thick I like it.
Oh yeah, that's how thick we want it. Oh yeah. Damn boy. Damn boy. He thick.
Yeah, I also ran out of grease. I don't know where the other bottles are.
GG.
So the only thing I got a couple pumps is both lower ball joints.
That's actually the most important thing. Yeah, so if the ball joints blow out, we're kind of cooked, chat. We're okay. I mean, we can start it and check it afterwards too, just to be extra safe. But yeah, most of them are 6 quart pans. Because yeah, I mean 7 would be kind of wild. Haven't heard of too many 7 quart pans, but I'm sure it exists.
Yeah, give it a start.
Chat, we have oil pressure. Okay. We're live. Nice. Had a chance to circulate up to the push rods and everything. Hello, I'm sorry. Like, crazy random spawn. That thing's actually going back together pretty nicely. This is why we need an air-cooled Porsche.
I know. I don't even know what I'm looking at. I guess.
I mean, we should be good, yeah, because I mean, it's more or less where we want it. Like, it's not like it's low. I'm just so surprised that it says M.
What does M mean?
I don't know. I've never seen an M on a dipstick before, actually. Yeah, literally.
Yeah, so the only thing I got lubricated is the lower ball joints, upper ball joints, and those tips on the steering.
Oh yeah, the steering, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah, the front end linkages. Take a gander at her. Interesting. So I think it's all right.
Great fluid, right there. Probably almost time to do an air filter too.
Yeah.
I mean, we can do the 20 horsepower trick right now.
Oh yeah, flip her over, 20 extra horse.
Yeah,
looking good.
The pan is leaking a little bit. The plug didn't seem to full seal last time. There's oil in the bell housing. Oil coming out of training. Oil coming out of
yeah. If it leaks oil, it has oil.
Yeah, like the rear just got done like 6 years ago.
Wow. Yeah, no, it's so funny. My Impala like leaks too a little bit, like here and there, and I'm like, okay, yeah, everything. The car is literally brand new.
Yeah.
But like, yeah, no, that makes sense. I have an issue here. Slightly. Bro, it's got a black eye. You punched it too hard. If there's any chance. Oh, there we go.
I think it's just fully disconnected from the linkage, honestly, because this one's on the motor.
Oh.
Yeah, this one just
AFK. That is totally AFK. All right. It'd be like that. Oh my god. Dude, this is actually better than AC.
Yeah.
That's goated.
But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna